Be honest, do your vocals sound like they're sitting on top of the beat or inside it? This is the biggest issue I see when people are mixing on 2-track beats. You don't have the stem, so everything feels disconnected, harsh, or not even finished. I've been mixing since 2015, and this is something I deal with all the time, taking raw vocals and making them sit right, even with a 2-track beat. So I put together something called 2-track Domination, a full breakdown on how I actually mix vocals into a beat from start to finish. In this, I'll walk you through how to clean and prep your vocals, how to EQ and compress so that they sit naturally, how to create space in the beat, and how to add depth with delay and reverb. And if you get the full bundle, you'll get the actual sessions files and stems so you can follow along step by step. And by the end of this, your records won't sound like a demo anymore. They'll sound like a real record. So if you're serious about getting your sound right, go grab it now. It's available on Gumroad. The link is in the description and in my bio. So stop guessing and start mixing with the system. And like always, remember, mixing is an art. Be you, stay true. I'm out.